I don't know. I still ask who is she because I don't know anybody.
Damn, it's hot up in here.
Oh, sorry.
Anyways, hey Brianna. Or, yeah.
Hey, Brianna.
Yeah, I don't know how to say your last name, but... Hey, women. What's...
Orozco, right? Arrozco.
Arroz con pollo.
Arroz como. Okay.
Arroz con leche. Me
Me quiero casar con una muchacha que sepa bailar. Cásate conmigo que yo te daré.
That's not like this one from here.
Hi, Brianna.
I like this one. It's from Justin Bieber. Damn, it's hot in here. Anyways, you're a woman. I don't know what
woman.
I don't know what to say.
How do you say we become friends? Okay. Yeah. Bye, Brianna.
Well, we have to hang out soon. Anyway, laters. I love you. Have a nice day, night, whatever you want it to be, but it should be nice.
Yeah.
Laters. Quiero mucho. Lepa. Bye.
Bye.
We're good.